हे गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज जल्दी उठ गए हैं क्योंकि हमें जाना है एक एंगेजमेंट पे। तो I've taken a bath and I've come. My hair looks cray cray, but I will do a small quick get ready with me. As you can see, still my eye is swollen really badly, so I'm really skeptical as to what to do about it. But I have to dress up some little way or the other. तो मैं रेडी होती हूँ and I have kept my outfit. I hope that fits and let's see how that goes. Let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do that now. Like, share, and turn on the notification button. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle will be somewhere here, so please do follow me there. And let's get started. यहाँ से मैं वॉइस ओवर कर रही हूँ क्योंकि उस दिन जल्दी जल्दी में आई couldn't tell you which products I used. So here I'm using Calabar's primer, silicone primer. I'm applying to the zones, T-zone especially where my pores are. After rubbing it, I make sure I dab it so that the product gets into the skin. Next, I am using Maybelline's foundation, Fit Me foundation, and I am applying it at back of my hand, then applying it all over the face. And I will make sure I blend this really carefully. And as needed, I will use another pump of it because I wanted more coverage. You can definitely build this foundation. Next, I'm using LA Girls Pro Concealer, and that's my husband who came and left. So I am applying it wherever I feel there is red spots and dark spots, and then I will blend that out properly. And then I'm using L'Oreal's Infallible Concealer just to lighten up those areas. And again, I will blend that carefully. So you will see my husband coming and going because he also was getting ready and we knew we had to leave 2 hours before. So yeah. I am then using Makeup Revolution's Iconic Fever eyeshadow palette. That's the shade name. And I am trying to do a subtle smoky eye, and yeah, I'm blending in on the outer crease and then creating hollow in the middle so that I can apply a glitter shade. I don't have to tell you much about how to do eyeshadow. I think you guys already know that, but yeah, so that's what I was trying to do. As you can see, there is some concealer like yellowish thing remaining under my eyes. That is the Fit Me loose powder that I had applied. Now for the shimmery shade, I mixed two colors from Focalur's Endless Possibilities. So I will then blend all the powder in the last, as I was telling you, I'll dust off all the powder that I have left for baking under my eyes. And right now that's what I'm doing. So then I took a K Beauty's contour stick and just rubbed it in the back of my hand before I could contour, so that gives me more control and I'm able to blend it. Then I took Wet n Wild's blush in the shade Mellow Wine, and I just applied it on my face, on the cheekbones, and a little bit on the corners and on the nose. So once that done, I took Maybelline's highlighter. This is one of the best highlighters and affordable highlighters you can find out there. So after that, I took Iba's lipstick. I will mention the shade name to you guys and everything in the description box so you can check them out. Then I used Iba's mascara. This is not the best mascara, but it definitely works. So not the best though. And I'm just applying it. As you can see, my makeup's almost done. then I will set it with my fixing spray, and that's it. This is how my makeup turned like. I couldn't take a proper picture as we had to run, and this is the only clip that I have of my eye makeup. And however, I will insert some photos so you guys can get a better clarity. I have textured sin. I am not doing any filters on it, so that you know how it looks like. Hey guys, we just came back half an hour ago, and we had our lunch. We hadn't had our breakfast or lunch. We just went there, spent a few minutes, and came back because my husband has to work. He's got some work, and we came back, and I just changed, clean my face, and I have to clean the mess. Let me show you how much mess we made, because we had to go in a hurry. From here it was 2 hours because our place is very far from the entire human, what do you say, our house is very far from the earthly beings, so we have to leave early, and it took 2 hours one way and 2 hours the other. So let me just show you. We woke up early, but to no avail. So let me just show you how the house looks like. So this is how it looks like. There's a mess. I haven't kept my makeup stuff as well. I was filming and everything is same, and even it's the same. So I'm thinking of taking a nap and then getting back and cleaning everything, because I'm really tired. Oh, I'm really tired, so let me just take a nap and then get back. My dark circles, man, don't know what to do with these, but my skin is healing. That's a good news. Can you see? My skin is healing except for these big scars. The small scars are fading, like only these big scars are remaining. So that's a good sign, and yeah. As you saw, I wore a white sari that I had from a while back. I put in a neck piece, and I headed out. I didn't have a full photo of me. If you liked, please like and share, subscribe. I will see you soon.